Hey, welcome back. Van here. Today we're going to be reviewing this infrared thermometer, checking your temperature. It does a lot more than that. It's actually everything you want and desire, need, anything you want right here in this one thermometer. So we're going to take it out of the box. And we got an instruction manual here. I've looked through the instruction manual. It's really got some great stuff in here. That's pretty much, you can't go wrong with this owner's manual at all. So, I mean, what do you want? Do you want to put a thermometer in your mouth and wait 5 minutes, or would you rather have something that you can just like in a second have a reading? So we're going to put two AAA batteries in this thermometer. Put the latch back on the battery door. Okay, to change the settings, right here on the side you have an ear, a head, that's for your forehead, and you have a house here for checking the ambient temperature or an object. So to change this from Celsius to Fahrenheit, you'll want to take the settings button and hold it down for about 3 seconds till you get an F1 to come up on the screen, and then you'll hit this button right here, the thermometer, and it changes between Celsius and Fahrenheit. And it's on Fahrenheit right now, so hold it again. There we go, and that turns the sound on and off. So we're going to leave the sound on. F3 is just where you'll take and offset the temperature. It's on zeros right now, so we're golden on that. So to check my forehead, I'm going to leave this on right here. I'm going to push this button to turn it on, and right now it's on ear. We're going to change it to where it's got a head on it. There's the home where you check the ambient temperature. There's the ear, and there's the forehead, and that's all controlled from right here on the side of this mode button. So right now it's on forehead, so I'm going to take and hold this, put it on my forehead, push the button, let go. 97.3. Alright, I'm going to check my ear. To check your ear, you just pull this. It doesn't twist or nothing, it just pulls off. I'm going to stick it in my ear. I'm going to pull my ear back, put it in my ear, push the button, release. 100.4. That is not right. I'm not sick. Maybe I am sick. That's 99.3. I did just get through taking some new medicine. Lord God, I hope I ain't getting sick. Try it again. 99.4. So this thing, oh, you know what it is? I've still got it on the forehead. Golly, I thought I was getting sick. You want to change it to right here where it's just got the ear on it. Now we can, here we go. Golly bum. Push it for a second. There you go. 97.8 is much better than being sick. Just pop right on. That just pops right on. To check the ambient temperature of something, leave this cap on, and you want to change the setting right here. Let's see, you got ear, forehead, and home. And now if we want to check that light bulb, hold up there, push the button for a second, let go. That light bulb's 86.6. You can actually just do the room. Push, hold, let go. It's 64 degrees in the house right now. And that's right, because we've been gone all day. Check this water. 62.1. Oh, this just came out of the refrigerator. 49.4. It's going to make a real nice addition to the new house having this with the bag, put in a drawer somewhere. My recommendation is don't leave the batteries in it. I would take, and I'll take the batteries out, put them in the bottom of the bag, slide this in there. That way the batteries, if they do corrode or whatever, they're not going to corrode on the inside of this, because you never know about batteries and storage and whatnot. It's pretty much simple. This changes the modes: ear, forehead, home for ambient temperatures. Push this button for a second. Well, you'll get the temperature reading in about a second. This is your settings button. There's going to be a promo code in the description box down below this video to save, I believe, 10%. Check that out. Check out the links in the video description. You won't be disappointed. There's more links than just this in the video description. I hope this video helped you in some kind of a way. If it did, leave a comment in the comment section down below. Let's get a discussion going on. Y'all have a good one now. Thanks for watching, and you come back.